Have you ever tried making gulkand with jaggery at home? I did because I sourced the freshest and most aromatic rose petals from the land of roses, Pushkar. Make sure you wash and pat dry all the rose petals before use. To begin with, start layering the glass jar with jaggery powder and then rose petals. Press down and then add more jaggery, then another layer of rose petals, then jaggery and rose petals until the bottle is or the glass jar is fully covered with rose petals and jaggery. Keep in sunlight, and by the next day the petals should have settled down. Press as much as possible and then add more petals and jaggery to the jar. Keep in sunlight for at least 7 to 10 days, and by the 10th day your gulkand should be ready. This is how mine looks after a month. Take care.